As you can see right over here, Hostinger's summer sale is going on, and they are giving an 80% discount. You can buy this ultimate hosting plan. Even more, if you are going to use my coupon code, you will save even more. With my coupon code, you can save $36 more. How are you going to do this? You are going to click the link in my video description, and you will come on this page right over here. Here you will get the exclusive coupon code, which will give you an extra discount on your current summer sale. All you need to do is click the copy button, and it will redirect you to this page. Here you can see the ultimate plan, but my coupon code works on every plan with every country. For a demo, I'll show you with the ultimate plan. I click on Choose Plan, and after some loading, I click on I got a coupon code. You just have to paste, and it will automatically copy the code. Then hit the Enter button, and as you can see right over here, I saved $36, and I am getting all of the free plans like daily backup, free domain name, and domain name privacy. You can also use this coupon code for the 12-month and 24-month plans. What are you waiting for? Go check out the link in my description.